Hi, I'm Kelly from freebiefindingmom.com. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn about essential oils and how they can change your life. Whether you're interested in using essential oils to treat an ailment, or maybe you just want to diffuse them in the home. Maybe you're interested in essential oils to make a homemade beauty recipe. You will learn that essential oils can absolutely change your life and improve the quality of your life. I became excited about essential oils the very first time I used them. I remember waking up one day having a massive cold sore on my face, and I asked my friend Stephanie what I should use for this cold sore. She said peppermint oil. I thought, peppermint oil on this ginormous thing? Okay, so I did. She was absolutely right. The peppermint oil quickly and easily cleared up my cold sore. From then on, I knew how powerful essential oils could be, and I became passionate about sharing them with others. It's important to know, though, that not all essential oils are created equal. So I was on a mission to find the absolute best essential oils I could find, and those are Young Living essential oils. Young Living essential oils are a therapeutic grade of oil, or pure oil, which is a very high quality oil. Now, some competitors out there may call themselves a pure oil, but they can have as little as 5% of the plant in them. But know, when you buy Young Living essential oils, you are buying some of the absolute highest quality of oil. So you're going to get some of the best results when you use them. The best way to start using Young Living essential oils is to pick up the Premium Starter Kit. In the Premium Starter Kit, you will receive 10 of the most popular oils. You will also get a choice of diffusers. I personally recommend starting with the Dewdrop Diffuser. You'll also receive a handful of samples in your kit as well. The total kit will retail for over $300, and you can pick it up for just $160, which is a good deal. But I want to give you an incredible deal, because I want you to try Young Living essential oils, because I know they work and I know they can change your life. So if you buy a Premium Starter Kit from me, I personally will also give you this helpful reference guide. In this guide, you will learn about essential oils and how best to use them. I also personally will give you a $20 Amazon gift card. I will also invite you to 2 incredibly helpful Facebook groups where you can feel comfortable asking any questions you have about your oils and how best to use them. Oh, and if you want to make money selling Young Living essential oils, these Facebook groups and myself can help you do that too. So go ahead and click on the Young Living sign up link and pick up your Premium Starter Kit today. Thank you.